Hi, I am Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Carbohydrate, such an outdated word in today's modern society, and I really don't know why. Every few weeks there's a new diet in the market. Low carb, high protein diet, vegan diet, paleo diet, Mediterranean diet, and I really don't know how many more are going to come up in near future. If you ask me, I don't believe in any of them because I'm a science student and I know the importance of balanced meal. Our body needs carbohydrates, we need protein, we need fats, and of course we cannot do without vegetables. So if you want to stay healthy and if you have plans of reducing weight, please don't look for such shortcut methods. Instead, exercise. If you're going for such kind of diets, trust me, in long run it's going to damage your body. So please think about it, and on that note I'm going to share my today's recipe, which is flax meal wraps, and this is a zero carbohydrate recipe and it will be really excellent for those who think that carbohydrate is not required for them, and of course it's very good for diabetics. So without wasting much time, let's check out the recipe. Thank you so much. Here comes our flax meal wraps. Trust me, they are really very tasty, very nutritive. And whichever diet plan you're following, either you're following a keto diet, a paleo diet, a low carb, high protein diet, you're on a weight loss plan, or you're diabetic, whichever category you belong to, this wrap perfectly fits into your diet plan. So do try it out, and please subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen for more such healthy recipe. You have to just click on the picture above. So see you then again in the next video. Thank you so much.